Hey, good afternoon. Bob, Trade Genius here, the 26th of September. So the Federal Reserve took the gloves off today, took away the accommodative in its messaging, and Jerome Powell is saying he doesn't understand why people don't understand what's going on here and why they keep adding on to risk assets. And I'm not sure who's bidding the market. I don't know if people realize, but the Treasury has a slush fund too. The Swiss are in there buying, the Japanese are in there buying, and the risk parity funds are buying, and I think we're setting ourselves up for some pretty decent damage here. If we get under 2,900, we're gonna fall pretty hard, and we didn't make it through the 2,937 area, which would have been a breakout for new highs. But I'm going on a limb here. I said I think Powell put a kibosh on this whole thing, and you know what, he may go midstream here if he doesn't see action. He doesn't have to wait till December. He can do anything anytime he wants, and he might just do it. He sounded really annoyed at the press announcement. But what we've been doing is just trading the day trade, and once again, Slingshot comes to the rescue. We let the market come down to the overnight low. You take the Slingshot and you just run that thing up. Got our first sell signal just right at the same time we had hit the overnight high. Great place to hop off, wait for the Fed to do its thing, and then when it came up like here, nobody could really catch that. If you caught it, you're pretty lucky. Came back into the overnight high again. We got our next sell signal here, and then you took it all the way down to the bottom of this volatility channel. Beautiful day. You can get this software, tradelikeagenius.com. It comes part of the fall special number 4, or you can buy it separately, and you can use promo code BOB45 if you just want the software, either in Thinkorswim or on TradingView, and then you get to enjoy the Slingshot in TradingView, and you get to enjoy the whole thing in Thinkorswim. So, but it works more than just on the futures. So if you go to TradingView here, I'm just going to show you a couple other instances. This is Bitcoin right here, the morning of the 26th. We got one that popped. You took it to the top of the channel. You made a nice profit. You look here for the SPY. Okay, you take off the extended trading, and then you have a hit here, and it corresponded right at the open for that. And you could have ran it up as far as you wanted to, and then on with CCJ, broke to the bottom of the channel, got a Slingshot, you took it for a run. So it's a really good tool. This thing here, you see the buys and sells. This is the next tool we're working on right now, where it's not quite finished with it yet, but we're working on it, and once that comes out, we'll share that with you as well. Other than that, the other things that we're in is we're in CRISPR, staying in it for now, and the marijuana we're short, and it keeps giving up the ghost, so I'm looking to make profit on that. And then we are in we're in GG now. And then one that's really been interesting to me is I think somebody's trying to buy DRD. So it's just been, this 5-minute chart, so it looks really wild. So go